This is a warning to you all out there. You will not have sustained success until you learn this. Hello and welcome back. My name is Kevin Raebling. I want to share some very important lesson with you today. You cannot move forward until you learn this very important thing about your wake. This is a very, very important lesson. Now, I just want to give you a little bit of a background. I've been on a long journey of discovery. I've been learning and studying for more than 30 years on how to overcome myself and my own challenges, because I've been up and I've been down. I've been stuck in the valley with cliffs, which is the plateau, by the way. And I wanted to share some things with you. And I've written, this is my very first book. It took me, more than 20 years to write my first book. So I must be the slowest fast achiever of all times, right? So it's taken me a long time. I've poured everything into this book. And the very first thing I want to share with you is this chapter on the wake, the first chapter. The wake is the disturbance behind an aircraft or a boat or something moving forward. Everything that is moving leaves behind a trail. When you trail through life, you leave a trail behind you. And it can be a disturbed trail or it can be a smooth one. And that's really just up to you and the way you move through life. In my lesson on the wake, I want you to really understand. I want you to learn to forget. You can't move forward until you learn to throw things in the wake. Are you in a relationship that isn't working? Are you poisoning your current relationship or your current success because you're holding on to something in the past? No matter how hard you try, it is impossible to go back to yesterday or even an hour ago. You can't do it. Why put any energy into something that you can't change? You need to let it go. Let her go. Let him go. That person, I did an experiment with one of my colleagues a while ago, right? Just to explain to you just how important this is. If this person's upset you, really upset you for some reason, maybe they didn't even know, maybe they did know, doesn't matter. I did this experiment and I said, look, all right, I got everyone around me. I said, okay, get on the phone right now. I want you to send a message to the person who really upset you the most and say, you know what, I forgive you. Now, they didn't want to do that, right? And I think you're probably saying, well, I ain't going to do that. I just want to tell them to go and jump, right? Listen up. Don't do it for them, do it for you, right? You're not telling them, they were okay, they did the right thing. Well, they probably did something wrong and otherwise you wouldn't be upset. But this is for you. This is just for your heart, for your mind, for you to move forward. Don't do it for them. Just say, I forgive you. And this is what I ask my friends to do. Text them a message to right now and say, I forgive you. Whatever happened, happened, and let's move forward. And I'm so grateful for our time together. Thank you. Goodbye. Now they did that, and you'd be shocked at what happened, right? They send a message out. Some people got oh yeah, I was waiting for that moment. Actually, some people got a message back. Oh, I'm so sorry, I upset you. I didn't mean to. The person on the other end was so scared they didn't want to be the first one to come back and respond. One girl who had been harboring for 18 months the pain of rejection from one particular guy, he messaged back saying, who are you? He didn't even know her. He'd forgotten all about it. She'd been holding on to this pain. Every night she would go to bed and she'd go, oh, I can't believe that guy did that to me. He just never, he can't, and he's such a bad guy. He didn't even know. She's been holding that poison for 18 months. And she was angry after he's come back and said, who are you? I don't even know who you are. I can't remember. I don't know that I did that. So she was holding on to something that wasn't even there. Hello? Dump it in the wake. You've got to learn to forget. If you want to move forward, You have to cut the ropes and let the past slip past. So in my book, The Wayfinder, I concentrate on helping you to develop a skill to be able to take all that stinky, smelly, rotten old stuff that's polluting your life right now, package it up, and dump it into the sea. Let it sink. Let it go back. Be happy and grateful for the time and the learning. Absolutely. The failures, absolutely. Learn. That was great. Okay, they gave you some pain. But that pain was there to help you learn. If you're still alive, you still have hope. You still have opportunity to learn and move forward. Dump that in the past. Learn to forget. Learn to remember the good things and the lessons, but learn to forget those things that cause you pain. There is no way that you can make the sun rise twice in one day. It just will not happen. There is no way, no matter how much you try, you can actually go back into the past and change what happened. So don't put any energy into it. Concentrate on this minute, on now. Stay happy. Work forward with a smile. So that's my lesson for you on the wake. Get my book, The Wayfinder. You will change your life. I guarantee. If you just do that one thing, it will change your life. Learn to forget. Throw that which is holding your heart and your head and yourself back from success, poisoning your friends around you, because you know what, they smell the stink that your stinking thinking and that stinking attitude. They smell that, they feel that around you. They get scared by your fears and anxiety. So wash yourself, flush it all, get rid of it. Get grateful, thank that learning that you achieved. Flush the pain away. Every morning when you wake up, you are reborn. All your thoughts, all your memories, all your pain, you have the choice to decide, do I bring that forward into this beautiful day, or do I leave it in yesterday? That's your choice. Look at my book, In the Wake. Learn the disciplines in there. Study that. There are daily disciplines that you can learn, that you can turn around your years and years of holding on to that smelly old stinky garbage. Follow the disciplines, practice them for 30 days, and I guarantee your life will change night and day. Alright, so have a look at that book, throw it down, throw that stuff in the wake, throw the rubbish out of your life, live in this minute, walk forward into the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the button below here, the big red button that says subscribe. I've got another couple of messages coming up, and every week I'll be putting another one. Hit the little bell thing there, the tingling-a-lingles, to let you know that you're first in line to receive it. Oh, and don't forget to visit our website. There's some great new stuff there and a program just for you. So don't forget my new book, The Wayfinder, just for you. Lots of good learning for your heart and your head. And I wish you all the best of success. Bye for now. My name is Kevin.